We all dream about open concept living, right? But it's a little hard. But we need to define the spaces. CREN Kennedy here says you can do it.
Absolutely, and it's really important you do define your space, but you need to really consider how you use the space to start with. That's a really key factor. So if you're still living in your house, you're not planning on selling it, really think about how you want to use the space, especially if it's a living room. Sometimes we have multiple functions going on. We've got toy playing, we've got dog toys, we've got maybe a small desk, TV watching. It's a lot of stuff going on in one room. So you want to make sure that your furniture pieces you choose really reflect your lifestyle at that time in your house.
And a lot of condos and open concept homes have open living dining areas as well.
That's right, and so it's really key that you do make sure you have got them very clearly defined. One of the ways you can do that is actually with the use of area rugs. And you can even elongate a space if you're trying to just fudge it a little bit and make a space a little bit larger. You can do that very effectively with area rugs. In this space, and it's very common in condos, very common in open concept spaces, you have a lot of traffic flow going on, and you have to make sure you place your furniture correctly. It's not too large, and equally it's not too small, but it needs to allow for traffic flow, which is something that we really paid attention to in this space. So that's one thing you need to look for. Another thing too is a lot of people nowadays when they're looking at a space, they really would like to see an office. It doesn't have to be huge, but if you can carve it out of a small space as we did in this distinctive living condo, that's a real bonus for most people. Most people have laptops, most people are doing a certain amount of work from home, certainly paying bills from home, so make sure you show that space.
Thanks, CREN. Okay, now that you've got your laptop out, log on to distinctiveliving.ca and you can snoop around a little more while we enjoy our coffee in the kitchen.